Welcome to Cape Canaveral diagnostic of a 2011 Toyota Prius. Noise happening at startup. I have noticed something that the noise, when the noise does not happen, and it might tell something more than when it does happen. What I noticed is that if I accelerate the car and I put it in neutral and come to a stop, I'm coming up to a stop now, it's been in neutral. Hit the brakes, I get no noise. Put it in drive, go, I get no noise. Gotta make a U-turn here. Got a bunch of stop signs behind me. So, get the car going. I put it in neutral. Going in neutral. Of course, I'm not putting any pressure on the car. I come to a stop. I get no noise. Put it in drive. Go. No noise. Get the car going, put it in neutral. Coming to a stop sign. No noise. Put it in drive. Get going. No noise. Put it in neutral. Hit the brakes hard, no noise. Put it in drive, no noise. Brakes, no noise. Well, that's interesting. Now, what happens if I came to a stop with the what happens if I put it in reverse? Reverse. Alright, so I come to a stop. So it's in neutral, put it in drive, go forward, no noise. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come to a stop. I'm going to put in reverse. There's a noise. Go forward. There's a noise. Interesting.